lang siya ng matte. Tapos sad face. Hindi na po, alam ko na. Parang nakakataranta na actually.
I went to my mom and dad. Thank you, ma.
Look,
Teka, this is my gift for you. Everything here. Do you think I need?
this one? Ganda.
Sa tingin mo mas maganda to?
Sabi mo kasi gawa mo, di ba?
I'm offended.
Bakit?
Ayun mo.
Mahawakan?
Ito yung sa akin.
Talaga?
So, ito. And red is like her favorite color.
Your favorite.
Yeah, it's our favorite color. Kaya